Is Trezor Wallet safe? Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Trezor Wallet and other relevant products are in the description. Trezor is one of the most trusted names in the world of hardware wallets, offering a secure way to store your cryptocurrency offline. It supports over 1,600 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many ERC20 tokens, making it a great choice for both new and experienced users. Available in two models, the Trezor One and Trezor Model T, it provides a physical device that stores your private keys offline, reducing the risk of online hacks. This makes it one of the safest options available for long-term crypto storage. Trezor's main strength is its top-tier security. By keeping private keys offline, it protects your assets from internet-based threats like phishing attacks, malware, and hacking. It also features a PIN code and recovery seed for added protection. The Trezor Model T, the more advanced version, includes a touchscreen for a smoother user experience, making it easier to interact with the device. Both models are compatible with popular wallets like Exodus and MetaMask, allowing for easy management of your assets, as well as integration with various exchange platforms for added convenience. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. While Trezor offers excellent security, it may not be ideal for users who prioritize convenience. Since it's a hardware wallet, it requires physical access to the device for transactions, which can be less efficient compared to software wallets. Additionally, while it's compatible with many cryptocurrencies, some smaller or newer coins might not be supported. Trezor's pricing is also higher than most software wallets, though this is justified by its security features. In summary, Trezor is an excellent choice for those who prioritize security above all else. Its offline storage makes it one of the safest ways to store your crypto, especially for long-term holders. While it might not be as convenient as software wallets, its security makes it well worth the investment. If you're serious about protecting your assets, Trezor is a solid option. Check the links in the description to learn more and get your Trezor wallet today.